Hey, what's up everybody? It's Stacey Storino. Welcome back to my channel, the #1 place for entrepreneurs who want their content marketing to convert content consumers into paying customers. If you've been convinced that TikTok is a platform that's great for growth of your brand awareness at the very least, and can bring you business at the most, and you're right on both fronts, by the way, and you have begun posting content to the TikTok platform, but you're stumped because, well, the corporate culture of the app is definitely different than what you're used to, and you're stuck about how to make content that both the TikTok algorithm and the human beings who are using the app will even like. Especially if you're, say, a Generation X entrepreneur or even a baby boomer, then let me explain how to find TikTok trends as an older person. And make sure that you stay until the end, because I'll explain to you why you don't have to be as trendy and goofy as you think you do, especially if it's not going to resonate with your ideal customer and doesn't make any sense, at least at first glance, with your business model. But trust me, you want to get on TikTok and stay on TikTok anyway. And I'll reassure you as to why towards the end of this video. But wait, before we go any further, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to get the help that entrepreneurs like you need to succeed with content marketing that drives traffic to your business so that you can do more business. Now, if you haven't watched my recent video, what metrics can be measured on TikTok? You should, because if you're posting content to the TikTok platform and you want to know whether you're reaching the right audience, whether your content is landing with the right ideal customer, not just random people on the platform, because you have to get the attention of your niche or you'll never make the sales you need for your business to succeed. That video will tremendously help you. It's kind of shows you the cheat sheet of the universe that you can have, even with analytics that other platforms don't currently offer. So if you missed that recent video of mine, be sure to go back and check it out. But you're here to learn specifically about how to find TikTok trends as an older person. So let's get down to it. First, mind the corporate culture. Direct selling or videos with straight up sales messaging on TikTok, at least right now, don't tend to do well like they could on Instagram or other platforms. Right now, the corporate culture of TikTok is more about fun, fresh little bites of fun, inspiration, education, or entertainment, or a fusion blend of some or all of those things. If you understand your ideal customer, even if they're older millennial, Gen X, baby boomer in nature, keeping in mind that those generations collectively make up 52% of the users on TikTok, well, if you understand the intersecting interest of your ideal customer, even though they're an adult, you know how to talk shop starring your products with them through creating short little videos that educate them about their intersecting interest, entertain them in a way having to do with that intersecting interest, or inspiring them in connection with their intersecting interest. If you're not sure what an intersecting interest really is, okay, ask yourself, what's the main pain point or main passion point that your ideal customer has that would intersect them with or bring them to a business like yours with offerings that you have, products and or services that can help them to solve their problems or satisfy their desires. That's what your videos have to be about on TikTok. And they can entertain, educate, and or inspire the viewers using your products, let's say, as props to get your point across. Videos like those work all the time and can get you the macro conversions you need, from followers to email list subscribers. Your link in your bio or profile should be to your email opt-in list to capture those leads, and of course can get you your sales in the messages on TikTok. I have students from all sorts of business model backgrounds who get inquiries that either lead immediately to sales or starts a conversation off that not too far into things will lead to a sale. And I'm not talking about a few students. I got thousands of them, and increasingly more and more of them, even in their 50s, 60s, and yes, even 70s, are getting into TikTok because they know that the platform isn't going away, has a ton of growth potential attached to it, and they don't want to miss out on the great opportunities to be found on that platform, raising brand awareness and moving people across the spectrum from video browser to product and or services buyer. But you want your videos to be trendy and fresh when you're publishing them to the TikTok platform, right? You want them to fit in with the corporate culture that's on there. So, how to find TikTok trends as an older person specifically, you ask? Second, you must stay current. You need to be aware of what trends are hot for TikTok videos so that the users are more likely to vibe and or resonate with your videos. You can definitely put your own branded and or business related spin on things. So study what your competitors are currently doing via using the TikTok app's search feature, searching on keywords and related hashtags, so that you can do your own industry related recon. Then be sure to put your own spin on what you're seeing others doing, so you're not coming across as just some sort of cheap knockoff. By going onto your Discover page, tap on the Discover icon at the bottom of your screen while logged into TikTok. Well, by going to your Discover page, you can see what's trending and take some time to consume some of those videos to get a feel for what's hot, and then see how you can create a related video that drafts off of that trend. And sometimes you'll be surprised how you can snap your business directly into a trend, and sometimes you may have to retrofit the concept a little, but it still works. You'll want to use the trending hashtag when you go to publish the video you've created in connection with the trend. So definitely take note of all of the trending hashtags that other users are using when they're optimizing their own trend-based videos for that trend. So you have to stay open-minded and flexible. If you see that there's trending music that's being used or trending sound effects that a lot of people are using like right now, definitely tap on the little record icon in the lower right-hand corner of their videos and use the ribbon feature to save the sound effect or song by adding it to your favorites, or add to favorites specifically. Use trending sounds or songs anytime you can, whether you're trying to find and draft off of a TikTok trend or not. That's how, as an older person, you get to figure out what the trends are on the TikTok platform. If you otherwise feel older and out of touch with pop culture, this is a great cheat sheet to mainlining some freshness for your brand and the organic content that you create to market your business. Third, why TikTok's right for you. Like I said earlier, 52% of the users on TikTok right now are adults, and many of them are millennials and Gen Xers who are still in their prime, still earning money, and are using the search feature to find content to binge on that have to do with their intersecting interest that could lead them to a business like yours that can help them to solve their problems and or satisfy their desires. You have to go where the attention is, and increasingly, even for adults, that includes TikTok, where you can still, even today, enjoy some great growth and, more importantly, some great sales. As the platform continues to mature, you're very likely going to see users over time becoming more open to being sold to directly. But if you're jumping in now and staying fresh and relevant as you do, you'll be able to have a huge community of brand enthusiasts that you grow over time supporting your content, who will be happier to give you the conversions you seek. Most importantly, sales, harder and faster as a result. That's why you need to get into TikTok now. Create and publish content there on the regular and get the conversions you can already and grow into a larger presence by the time people are really using TikTok to shop as much as they do Instagram now. If you ever wish that you could have been an earlier adopter of Instagram, well, you can't really go back in time, but you can look to the future. And as far as I see, TikTok's a big part of future organic growth for brands and businesses of all stripes. That's why I recommend it as part of the marketing plan for my students and clients all day long. There you have it. This is my answer when it comes to answering the question of how to find TikTok trends as an older person. Need more help? Be sure to check out these two awesome videos too, because they'll teach you great content marketing strategies that can also help to blow up your business. Enjoy.